Welcome back to the channel. If you just tried e-filing your taxes in TurboTax and got that frustrating rejection notice about a missing Form 1095A, don't panic, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to fix it quickly so you can get back on track with your filing. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Always make sure you're on the real site for security. Once you're there, click the Sign In button at the top right and log in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the menu on the left, click on the Federal tab. This is where you'll find the section to fix your rejected form. Next, scroll down and select Deductions and Credits. Once inside, use the search bar to type in 1095A. This is the form linked to the Affordable Care Act, and it's the key to resolving your rejection. From the results, click on Medical, and then look for the option that says Affordable Care Act, Form 1095A. Once you see it, hit Start or Edit to begin. Here's the most important part. Make sure you have your physical 1095A form in hand, the one you received from your health insurance marketplace. Every single detail you enter in TurboTax must exactly match what's printed on that form. Double-check the policy numbers, coverage dates, and dollar amounts. Even a small typo can cause another rejection, so accuracy here is crucial. Once you've entered or corrected all the information, save your changes and run through TurboTax's review process. The software will double-check your entries and confirm if the issue is resolved. After that, you can resubmit your return with confidence. And that's it. By following these steps, you've just fixed the missing 1095A rejection and set yourself up for a smooth e-filing experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step TurboTax support videos. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your 2024 tax filing.